Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix you were removed from the match due to your IP VPN machine or cheating. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, to fix this issue, start by opening the Steam application on your computer. Once you're on the main Steam window, navigate to the Store option located at the top left corner. Click on Store to ensure you're in the correct section. Next, look towards the bottom left corner of the Steam window. You'll find an option labeled Add a Game. Click on this and a small menu will appear. From this menu, select Add a non-Steam game. This action will open a new window that lists the programs currently installed on your computer. In the list of programs, scroll down until you find Epic Games Launcher. Select it by clicking on the checkbox next to its name. Once selected, click on the Add Selected Programs button at the bottom of the window. This will add the Epic Games Launcher to your Steam library. Now, return to your Steam library by clicking on the Library tab at the top of the Steam window. In your library, you should now see Epic Games Launcher listed among your games. Click on Epic Games Launcher to highlight it, and then click on the Play button. This will launch the Epic Games Launcher through Steam. Once the Epic Games Launcher opens, log in to your Epic Games account if you haven't already done so. From the launcher, navigate to Fortnite and click Launch to start playing the game. This setup allows you to play Fortnite through the Epic Games Launcher while having it. So that's basically how to fix you were removed from the match due to your IP VPN machine or cheating. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.